Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Divya. Today I am sharing a very special recipe, Pirandai Thuvaiyal. We call it as Adamant Creeper in English. This is incredibly healthy, especially for our bones. Pirandai is a medicinal plant known for its amazing benefits, particularly for strengthening bones and joints. It's a natural remedy that has been used for centuries. Before we start, the most important step is selecting and cleaning the adamant creeper. As you can see, I have taken the tender stems of Pirandai and applied some sesame oil on my hands. You can also apply coconut oil. This is a crucial tip as the stems can sometimes cause a slight itchiness when it is tender. If you're gonna take the strong stems, it's more itchier. Try getting tender ones. Now, let's get started on the cleaning process. First, I have cut the long part of the stem and I will discard the joint pieces, which I have shown, and also throw the roots which is in the joint part. The leaves and the straight fleshy parts of the stems are used for the thuvaiyal. Now take the straight stem and carefully take off the outer layer. If the stem is very tender, it is okay to just remove the four corners as shown. This is enough to avoid any itchiness. Once you have cleaned it thoroughly, cut the stems into small pieces and set them aside. Now for our other ingredients, take a fresh bunch of coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. Wash and chop them all. Instead of using tamarind, I am using Indian Gooseberry, which adds a wonderful tang and a boost of vitamin C. I have also cut a few pieces of fresh coconut. Now let's start the cooking process. Take a pan and pour in about 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add some black urad dal, 5 dry red chilies, and a few cloves of garlic. Saute them well. Next, add the cleaned pirandai to the pan. Cook the pirandai thoroughly. If it's not cooked well, it can cause an itchy sensation in your throat when you eat it. Add some rock sea salt and continue to cook until the stems turn a pale color. Now it's time to add fresh leaves, the mint, coriander and curry leaves. Also add the cut coconut pieces. Saute everything until the leaves have completely shrunk. Finally add some turmeric powder and give it one last stir. Once everything is cooked, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down completely. In the same pan, add a little more sesame oil and saute the Indian gooseberry pieces until they are soft. Now transfer all the cooked ingredients into a mixture jar and add some water. Blend it all into a smooth, thick paste. That's it. Our delicious and healthy adamant creeper, Pirandai Thuvaiyal, is ready. You won't believe it, both of my kids, 11-year-old and 4-year-old, absolutely love this. The coconut and Indian gooseberry truly make all the difference, giving it a unique flavor that's perfect for kids. This thuvaiyal pairs wonderfully with hot rice, idli or dosa. It's so yum. Please give a try. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.